Okay, this video is for Arizona Jumper. This is yours truly, Armadillo Tex. I'm out here at the bees. They're not as active today, it's a little cloudy. But I'm gonna pull some honey. I'm gonna pull a frame of honey out of this super and let you take a look at it. This beehive here has 3 supers on it, and this beehive here only has 1 super on it. So let me pull this top lid off and I'll show you. Let me smoke them. They're getting mad. I thought I could do it without smoking them, but they're not too happy today. It's kind of cloudy. So let me put some smoke on them. I don't want to get stung. Hi, beetles. There's a lot of hive beetles in here. I haven't quite capped it yet, but you see where the honey that's ready is capped with wax. They're still working on that bottom section there. They still got a long way to go, really. That whole thing needs to be capped before I pull this honey. Anywho, there's 10 frames in each box, so 10, 20, 30 frames, and I'm hoping to get a good bunch of honey this year. All right, goodbye. See ya.